Councilmember Rick Cole here in front of the former St. Luke's Hospital, where the U.S. Army is conducting a training exercise in urban warfare. As you can hear, flashbangs and simulated gunfire are going on. They're going to be going on for the next half an hour, we're told. It's 1 a.m. and we're in the middle of what is normally a quiet residential neighborhood. Homes literally across the street with people trying to sleep. The Ranger helicopter that just dropped soldiers onto the roof. They're simulating an attack on the building, and this is going to go on for a while. And good luck to the people that have got to get up and go to work tomorrow morning.
6, and last night while you were sleeping, the U.S. military was performing training in Long Beach, California in the middle of the night. Could you imagine waking up in the middle of the night hearing a literal military operation happening? People probably thought that this was a real life attack. But wait, it gets worse. This is the second time in the last week where the U.S. military is performing military training on U.S. soil. On U.S. soil. And they're specifically doing it in Democratic-ran cities. Why would you think they would need to do something like that? What is the point in doing something like that on U.S. soil? Who are they training to take down?